BAOD Extrusion specializes in the development and manufacturing of high-precision extrusion equipment, committed to becoming a globally recognized brand in precision tube extrusion. We continuously pursue technological innovation to enhance extrusion efficiency, process precision, and product quality. By adopting advanced technologies, we are driving the progress of extrusion solutions across industries. With 25 years of experience in plastic extrusion equipment, R&D and design, BAOD Extrusion offers advanced screw and die customization for various polymer materials, ensuring excellent plasticizing performance and stable extrusion quality. BAOD's medical tube extrusion lines are widely applied in the production of various medical catheters, compatible with a broad range of medical-grade polymers, especially soft PVC. The extrusion lines are capable of producing angiography catheters, multi-lumen tubes, hemodialysis tubes, infusion tubes, urethral catheters, central venous catheters, epidural tubes, capillary tubing, stomach tubes, porous tubes, and etc. At present, our latest high-speed precision tube extrusion line, featuring comprehensive safety protection, closed loop control, product data tracing, error prevention functions, and a high level of automation. Featuring a parallel coiling cooling system integrated with the vacuum tank, it enables 3-5 times coiling cooling within a compact structure, significantly reducing the cooling length required for high-speed extrusion. Quickly sleeve locking and changing servo-driven flying knife cutting system can realize superfine tube high efficiency and precise cutting online. We pay close attention to the needs of customers in the medical and automotive industries, constantly optimizing equipment performance in safety, efficiency, user-friendliness, and automation. Customer-oriented and innovation-driven, BAOD Extrusion continues to provide high-quality, customizable precision extrusion equipment, contributing to the development of the global plastics industry.